looks too good. What's up, everybody? All right, so I'm actually gonna go to my crib right now and get the Em1. This weekend, actually gonna go ahead and take the car to Ungari. So we're gonna go ahead and change. No, he's gonna go ahead and remove the cap off of the Em1, and we're gonna put that test pipe. Remember that bundle that I bought from my boy Elvis for the whole JRSC supercharger? Well, that actually brings a test pipe. So we're gonna put that test pipe in the place of the cap, and then forgot what else we're gonna do. But basically, I think we're gonna get a tune. But let's not get too excited with that tune, because remember that right now it still has that thick head gasket, the one that was the thick ass one, the one that we used to bring the compression down. So it's not anything crazy. I remember we still want to send out the head to get rebuilt. So the head is still stock per se. It's just on JSR cams. But the bottom end is pretty built up, not completely, but again, with that thick ass head gasket, I lost a lot of compression. I'm not at that compression ratio of like 12:1 or whatever the hell it was at, which was really high, you know? So, but let's go grab the Em1. But still in here, I still need to take a bunch of this stuff, bro. I mean, I still have my little cart. I got these motors. I already took my air compressor. I had it tucked behind there. Still gonna take all my tools there. Bunch of crap load of Honda parts in there. Still got this rear OEM Em1 lip. B&IB front lip, spare Em1 bumper. That was my OEM lip that I broke when I hit a deer. Still got these ITRs here. Still got my roller seat. Still got a OEM B pipe from the Em1. OEM Em1 muffler. We've been moving a bunch of stuff to the crib right now already. So like just yesterday, we moved a bunch of stuff that my girl took. We took it from her parents' crib. We took it over there to the crib. So spent a lot of stuff, homie. Look at this, bro. I come to my mom's house and she has 2 dead fishes. This is crazy. These fishes just decided to bounce out. They said they'd rather die outside. That's crazy, man. It's just a few fishes living in there. We're at my honey's residence.
Yeah.
Oh, we're taking the Em1. Go check out all the other stuff I brought. I brought the intercooler piping from the Ramflita. I need to take that right now, test pipe. I brought the actual exhaust from the Z. Oh, so many parts, bro. So many parts. All right, I need to take this. All right, I'm gonna throw this in here. All right. Doggy, this thing looks so feedman, bro. All right, I'm gonna pull up to Opera right now. Let me make sure this car has air in the tires. Yeah, looks good. They have the test pipe in there, so we good. After this, I'll be able to finally rev the car to the moon. Problem right now is that we don't want to contaminate this cab. Try to save it, you know, keep it in its most ideal condition, as best as possible. All right, so just pulled it to the homie right now. We're gonna let the car cool down. Now we can start working on it. Look, there's Buick Regal here, and that this fool's been doing a ton to it. Was literally a rat's nest in here, man. But it's all good though, you know? Comes to the right place. You feel me? Come on. We changed the carburetor. There's a lot of stuff they did. That's the thing, there's a lot of work that it doesn't look like was done to the car, but it's actually done to the car, you get me? And that all comes down to how the car drives, you feel me? So, I need to wash this thing, bro. I really need to make some time. Looked all pretty from the front, huh? Not back here. That's really dirty. I was supposed to go to Jesse, see how much that fool can quote me or when he can do it, so you can paint the bumper, you know, the fender. This fender, it's mismatched, bro. I thought this was a chip right here. The fender's mismatched color, and the bumper will still has that good old scratch. I need to get some fresh headlights from Em1. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna buy them right now. So this Fulgari is gonna change this test pipe, because right now it has the cap. That's what it has right now. So that way with this, it doesn't matter. This thing gets coated with oil on the inside. It's all good. It's whatever. And this is actually an OG test pipe too. This test pipe came with that kit, you know, with the JRSC supercharger kit. So this thing's legit. Freedom ass quality right here. That way I can just run this car. He was gonna tune it too, but my dumb ass forgot the OBD1 ECU at home. So It's all good. I'll swing around.
All right, so test pipe. The cat is coming off. Good thing this one's not bent though. Just like the other one that I bent. A little bit of oil never hurt anybody. A little bit of oil never hurt anybody. No scratches. At least it still has the honeycomb. Not too bad. Not that bad. Yeah, that's pretty good.
The cat is off, so that's good. All right, so now test pipe is on already, so I'm about to go tuning here already.
That good oil, that good oil.
You could definitely smell that oil. Good oil. Definitely louder though. There it is.
Not bad, huh?
Oof, this thing looks too good, bro. All right, bro. So like I was talking to this fool Gary. I think the next time I come around, oh look, the check engine light already went off. That's because the AC is trying to adjust for all the new parameters. The next time I come around, I don't know, brother. You guys might see a JRSC supercharger on this thing. It smells like oil, bro. I missed that.